Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Yota. I am thrilled to have you here today. For today's video, I got a couple of really cute items that I could not wait to show you, and I'm going to do an unbagging, not an unboxing, but an unbagging. If you're interested to see what I got, stick around. Before we get started with the video, I want to show you my bag of the week that I've been carrying all week long, and it is my Fendi backpack, my Fendi Cruise backpack, and I have been carrying this bag all week. I put it on the shelf for a while because whenever I carry this bag, it's really hard to change out of it. I know I say that about a lot of my bags, but this one is truly a wonderful bag and very easy to carry, and it fits a ton of stuff. So this is the bag that I've been carrying, and I'm telling you guys, I love a backpack. I just love a backpack, and I never thought that I would be a backpack girl, but this is an amazing bag, and this is the bag of the week. Okay, I am so excited to show you guys what I got, and it's in this big bag, this big giant bag. So like I said, I'm going to do an unbagging. It didn't come in a box, but I'm so super excited to show you guys this. It was a spur of the moment purchase, and I was just looking around and I happened upon this and I just fell in love. So let's see what I got. Okay, the first item that I got is in this smaller bag from Dillard's, and the item that I got is something that I had an idea to wear with other belts. And what it is a Michael Kors belt, and it has the Michael Kors logo going all around the belt, and then you just fasten it, of course, and just leave this hanging. And you know, chain belts are really on trend right now. You see the Chanel belts, and you know, I've seen them everywhere, and why pay that kind of money when you can get something like this? This was $45, and I thought it would be really pretty paired with another belt. Like if I had on a pair of white jeans, black jeans, or a pair of just denim, and have a belt on, and then just kind of wear this kind of lower on my hip. It would be kind of an edgy look, and it would be really pretty wearing all black. But I think this is really, really pretty. And then I thought, you know, I could even wear it as a necklace. So it's actually very versatile, and I've had it in mind for a while to pick up something like this, but you know, I always kept forgetting. But when I saw this today when I was out shopping, I thought I really like that, so I went ahead and bought it. And the next time I do a lookbook, I'm going to pair them together and with another belt and show you guys what I'm talking about. You know, I don't think a chain belt ever really goes out of style, because I was thinking, I can remember my grandmother always wore a chain belt. But you see them on Instagram, you see them all over the place, the Chanel chain belts, and I just thought that was a really pretty little belt, and I can't wait to style it. Alright, so what do you guys think I have in here? All right, let's pour her out. What do you think this is? It doesn't take a real smart person to figure this out. I got something, and I don't normally buy handbags at Dillard's, but I got a handbag at Dillard's, and it's by Michael Kors. And I'm not really a Michael Kors fan, like for the regular handbags. I used to have several of them, but I sold them. Not really that I don't like them, but I guess I just have so many of the other bags that I carry. But I saw this sitting there, and let me pull the stuffing out so you can get the full idea of what it is. It's pull this out. It is, they really do put a lot of stuffing in these bags. Alright. Now you can tell It's the clear PVC bag. And it was sitting there. There were 4 other colors. And when I walked by, I thought, wow, I really like that. And I was especially drawn to the white one. And let me pull some of this paper off. And I just thought it was so cute. I'm going to pull this off the handles and show you guys. I believe it came in black. It came in kind of a camel color, and also like a really dark chocolate brown. But this white one really got my attention because I thought this would be the perfect little beach tote. And not just for the beach, but for a summer tote. And it just really got my attention. And I actually left the store and I was shopping with my husband, and I said, that is so cute, maybe I should go back in there and get it. And he said, well, you can just probably order it online. And I said, my luck, it probably, you know, it'll probably be gone. And so I thought we were pulling out of the parking lot, and he turns the car around and he says, let's go back in and get it. And I'm really glad that I went back in, because here you go. Is this not the cutest? It's so on trend. I love the clear bags. You know, I think you either love them or you hate them, but I absolutely love them. But I would not be willing to spend Chanel prices on a clear Chanel bag, or really a big price. But as far as the look of it, I absolutely love them. But this bag, let's see what the price is on it. I'll pull some more of this paper out so you can really see. This bag was $278. And it is just so cute. It's got a big pocket back here, a big pocket, kind of like the Never Fallen Away, and it zips up. And then what I really love about it, it has another pocket here, and it's got a smaller, like a cell phone pocket, and then a larger pocket here. So, and then it's got the bottom. It's very structured. It even has feet. And, you know, I don't know what the name of this bag is, because, like I said, I saw it as I was leaving the store, and I love this. It's a nice little touch. But I'm going to look online, and if I find it, I will link it below, because this is a fabulous bag, and it's really good for spring and summer. I have another item in this bag, and of course it's all wrapped up like this, but it is the Michael Kors Cosmetic Case, and it's clear and it matches the bag. And I was very impressed because like I said, I'm not normally one to buy bags in malls like that, but they did actually go and get me brand new bags. So they said they only sell the display, you know, as the last resort. So this is a really good size. Let me pull all the stuffing out. And this was $88. Which, actually, I feel like that's a little bit pricey when the entire handbag was $278, I think. But this will be so cute inside. And okay. And it's just like the bag. It's got the white kind of the croc look here with the MK, and it's got a really nice zipper, and it also has a pocket. How cute is that? I just love this. So I just could not leave this behind. Let me get all the paper out. But like I said, we go to the beach quite a bit, and this is the perfect beach bag. And not only that, it is great for summer. So, is this not cute? This could be a cute little clutch too. I just glanced over on my shelf and I saw my Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch, and I thought I would show you guys. They are very comparable in size. I believe this one is wider at the base, but I like this size cosmetic pouch, especially if you're carrying a large tote. So yeah, they're very similar. This is the larger Louis Vuitton cosmetic case, and so it's very similar in size. I'm not sure if I mentioned the price on this bag. It is $278. Not too bad. It is affordable, and it's a really good quality bag. So I thought it was a really good find, and I'm really happy with it. So I'll try it on for you. And it's probably comparable again to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and also, let me grab this bag, my Tory Burch bag. They're all about the same size. So, in my opinion, this is the perfect size tote. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Also click the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. It is very encouraging. Don't forget to leave your comments below, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.